If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you are willing to learn, no one can stop you. So my dear students, if you are willing to learn, there cannot be a thing that can stop you. So let us see how we can learn in a manner that becomes easy for us. I know you all are burdened with lots of subjects with you. Many homeworks, assignments, many things are there for you to do every day. And many a times you feel that you are just burdened with the ICSE curriculum and syllabus. But we can make it in a manner that you will find it easy. Let us start studying in a manner that will be helpful for you for gaining more marks in an easy way. But before starting that, I want to tell you that in this video, we will be moving on with the things that will help you to gain more marks in the exam. I will be making it very much easy for you that how you will be solving out the difficulties in the exam, how you will be solving out the difficult portions of your syllabus. So let us start the paper pattern and the marks distribution. Paper pattern and marks distribution is important for you as my dear students. Before starting out the topic, before starting out the chapter that you are going to do, you should know that what all kind of questions are there in the exam, so that you can basically focus in that part and just leaving out the not so much essential portion. Obviously, the toppers will not leave even a single drop from the chapter, but some and the other time while revising at the last moment of the exam, you have to go for some important things. So I will be explaining you today the paper pattern of 9th ICSE board, that how and what kind of questions are there, how much marks they will be carrying, and what all things you have to remember while answering them. At the end of the video, I will be explaining you the most important topics that are there from the syllabus. So biology question paper of 100 marks can be further divided into two parts. One is the practical part, that also includes the assignment or practical file, and theory part, that is a 2-hour question paper of 80 marks. So we will be focusing on the 80 marks, that is the theoretical part, that is further divided into section 1 and section 2. Section 1 is much more important because it is an compulsory part, that we cannot leave even a single question from section 1. And section 2 will be having 4 out of 6 questions. If I am saying this is question number 1, so here I will be having question number 2 to question number 7. So the question paper will be having a total of 7 questions. Question number 1 will be in section 1, that is compulsory, you cannot leave any of that. And section 2 will be having 4 questions, but options will be there. Out of 6 you have to attempt any 4 questions. So let us see what all things are there in section 1. Section 1 further consists of A to H part, A part consists of mostly name the following, yes, the thing that you have to remember, each of them will be carrying 5 marks. So there will be 8 questions of 5 marks each. So a total of 40 marks here. And this also 10 marks each question. So a total of 40 marks here. That is how 80 is being divided. Name the following can be there. True, false, odd one out, location, function, difference between, a passage can be there, and H part is every time a diagram based question. G part can be a passage or arrange in sequence. Now students, see here. First question, that is name the following or give appropriate term for the following. In such kind of questions, every time, see it is of 5 marks. So 5 terms, 5 name the following or 5 blanks can be there that you have to answer. In B part, true, false. True, false can be in different formats. It can either be a sentence is given, you have to write is it true or false, or they can ask that in the sentence if it is false you have to correct it also, or they can give you only the false statements, 5 false statements they can give, and they will say just these all are false and you have to correct it. One more pattern is there, they can give you a statement and in that statement any underlined word is there and they will say that that underlined word you have to correct in the statement. So based on what is written in the question, you have to attempt the true false part. Odd one out. In case of odd one out, whichever term you find is different, you have to give reason for that. That is odd one out. Location and function. Every chapter is having some and the other type of parts of the body or related to cell, related to plants or animals, that they are having specific locations there. They are having particular functions in the life process. That question can carry 10 marks in total. And differences. So difference between is much more easier for your board exams, as every time it is coming in 1 mark only. Either you have to give just 1 or 2 difference, not more than that. There is a rare chance that you are getting a difference between of 4 or 5 marks, but likely it is never seen. Differences come like this and they will be just asking you one difference of each of the following. If it is of 5 marks, they will be giving you 5 differences. Passage, they can give you a passage in which blanks are there and you have to fill it. That complete passage will be of a same chapter or a same portion, same topic will be there. Diagram based question, every time we are going with the question paper of 10th also even, and now seeing the same pattern in 9th, that diagram based question is there. That is having a diagram and 5 questions either relative to that or labeling related to that comes. So that was the section 1 compulsory section. You cannot leave even a single. If you are not answering or attempting any of the A to H part, then you will be losing your marks for sure. So this goes with more of exercise part from your chapters. That is 8 questions of 5 mark each. Let us see what you have to do in section 2. Section 2 consists of 4 questions of 10 marks each. But still there is a relief, because 10 mark won't be going for a single question. They will be dividing into A and B part, 5 marks each. 2 to 7. So what kind of questions will be there? Question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6 and question 7. It may have A and B part separately in each of them, but just a rare condition that if they are giving 5, give reasons here. The type of question that has been seen in section 2, that is mostly diagram based question. They will be giving you a diagram and then they will be asking you to solve it, the 5 questions. Or also seen there, draw a diagram. Last time it was draw a diagram of plant cell. So here you will be having some and other thing for drawing also, and along with that 10 or half of marks question of name the following one word can also come in this section also. So that was the paper pattern, students. This is how you have to attempt the paper. So while preparing your chapters, you have to keep in mind if anything is going out for location, function or differences, you have to prepare in that manner. Differences just go for 1 or 2 point each, and diagrams all we have to do, because diagrams are coming in diagram based also, diagrams are coming to draw also. So we cannot leave diagrams in biology. Thank you.